Game on.
Let's go, bitches.
Marco! Fine! I'm going filthy! Oh no!
Alright guys, so today we're playing Airsoft Marco Polo, inspired by videos on YouTube. So basically, the seeker has a gun and is blindfolded, has 10 shots to shoot everyone. If he doesn't get everyone on the field, he loses, and basically, for the other players, all they have to do is survive. That's how you win the game, that's how you play.
On 3, 2, 1. Alright. I'm right behind, okay.
Can I move around or just
You can move around. You gotta say Marco and then
Marco!
and then they have to stop moving.
Marco! 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 Oh, there's really doing something wrong.
3, 2, 1, go.
Marco.
And when he says Marco, you gotta stop and say Polo.
Marco. Polo. Right, I know where you're at.
I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Keep going.
Marco.
I'm right behind you.
Marco. Marco. I don't know. Wait, how many shots am I in?
I don't know.
You guys can move. Hold on. I'll say it again. Who says it?
Polo!
Yeah. He
Weird!
I don't think it went through. I saw it.
You felt it?
Right there.
Oh, right there. There it is.
Holy shit. I don't want to fucking use this.
You put on the jacket. Okay, game starts in 3. Keep spinning. Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay,
Marco! Hello! Marco!
Hello.
What the fuck?
Hole right here. Oh, keep going, keep going.
Marco!
Hello.
I'm right behind you, Pete.
Marco!
Okay, game. Oh, wait, no, not game. Nathan, get out, Nathan, get out.
Marco!
You don't have to keep spinning.
Hello!
That's me, Pete.
Right.
That's me, Pete. Remember, you can say Marco.
Marco!
Okay, keep going.
Marco! Hello! Marco! Hello!
Okay, game. Damn, Pete. Keep spinning. Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Remember, Ernie, I'm right here. I'm gonna keep talking so you don't hit me.
Marco.
Hello!
I'm right here. I'm right here. It's a chair.
Marco.
Hello!
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Right here.
Marco.
Polo.
He's up the truck.
Okay, man. Marco. Marco.
You guys have to say polo.
Marco.
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 Okay, that one's dry.
Did you get any?
I don't think he got anybody. Or game starts in 3, 2, 1. Alright, game. Remember, when he says Marco, you have to say polo and stop where you're moving.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh, Marco.
Polo.
The fuck you. Marco.
Polo.
Oh shit.
Marco.
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 Polo.
Let's go shot. I'm right here, Nathan.
Where are you?
Right in front of you.
Okay. Marco.
Polo.
What's up my head? Marco.
Polo.
Okay. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Dry?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, let's game. Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when.
3, 2, 1. Game start.
Marco.
Polo. 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 Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
They have to shoot. Polo.
Marco.
Cut.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco. Marco.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Marco.
Polo. Polo. Blooming.
Marco.
Polo. Yeah, man, bitch. Polo.
Out. I did?
Yeah.
Where the fuck were you?